Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Sennheiser CX Plus. So first of all, you have to be connected with your Sennheiser application and also the earbuds. Next, you have to select them from the list. And right now you have to click on the right upper corner, right bottom corner on the settings, and then scroll down until you find the factory reset. Next, you have to click on it once. As you can see, it will take around 20 seconds and we are going to restore all default settings. So let's click OK. And now just wait a little bit. As you can see, we do not have to place the earbuds into the charging case until the LED starts flashing red and the blue. So here we can find the indicators. It's almost finished, so we have to wait. Okay, and it looks like this factory reset is finished, so we can simply put both earbuds into this charging case. We can close it. Let's remove previously connection, then open it, remove them from this charging case. Let's check the indicators. They are blinking automatically on the blue and red. Okay, looks like not anymore. So yeah, the reset is complete. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.